Okay, so today I'm going to try to make this pineapple. And so you've seen my other pineapple video, perhaps, but a guy named Sean recently tried to make a bigger pineapple. And so this is a thing that I think is maybe a little bit easier to make. I'm not 100% sure, but I'll show it to you anyways. But there it is. It's 2 yellow balloons and 1 green one. But I'll show you in 2 blues so that you can see what I'm doing. And so I'm making it a certain way so that it stays together. So watch carefully. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have this particular balloon is going to be the center of, oops, a little big, I'll just make it smaller here. So this will be the center ring of the pineapple. Okay, so what we have is a pentagon, okay, and then little guys to connect, a bigger guy here, another bigger guy, small guy, and then what we're going to do is we're going to walk back down to this side, little guy, big guy, connect it up here. Maybe I was a little bit too small with the little guys, or my big guys are in the middle, but okay, no wonder. Okay, another big one, a little one, connecting back to the pentagon in the middle. Another little one, and then finally this last one, which joins up first. So we can leave that one like that. And so essentially this part of the balloon will just be a pentagon, if you can see it, and then these ones that connect up, okay? So, now the fun begins. I'm going to try to put this one with it. And so what I do is I make a larger one, and now right away I make 5. Okay? So, that I have to put around here somehow. So it's going to be a little tricky. So depending on where you want to end up, you you could start at this end, for instance. And so this is a little bit tricky because you have to pull all that stuff through this one here. And so you may have to do a little bit of massaging after the fact to get it back into the right shape. But it sort of ties things together nicely here. So I can always fix this in a bit. Okay, and so now that's one connection here. And now a little balloon. Another little balloon, and now I'm going to make another pentagon. So there's my next pentagon, and I got to do the same sort of thing. I have to pull this around. Do 2. It's all connected. Now I'm just going to come up here, up, maybe pull the knot around this twice or something, and then come back down. Little guy. Another little guy. Now a big guy. We go around the top. Last one here. So essentially, that's the bulk of the pineapple. And you know, you're going to have to trim these things but it's kind of a nice design. I kind of like the idea of making a pentagon here. Sean put a hexagon here instead, but I kind of like the pentagon. And then you just throw a thing on the top and you pop these things and you got a nice one. And so, once again, here is the pineapple shape. It's quite nice, and Sean, way to go. But tell me if you like this design better. I'm not 100% sure pulling the pentagon over these things is a good idea, but it keeps it tight. Less likely to come apart, perhaps. But I'll experiment some more. But anyway, here's today's balloon design. Cheers.